Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to write email to boss, professor or teacher using ChatGPT. First of all, open your ChatGPT and I'm gonna type in here, write a email for vacation to boss and sending this command here. And as you can see, the ChatGPT is generating an email according to my requirements. Once it's generated, copy this mail from here and make sure to customize this mail before sending it. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.